Hi guys, in this video I'm going to discuss on how to subtract fractions. Subtraction of fractions is just the same as addition of fractions. The difference is just we're dealing with subtraction instead of addition. If we are going to subtract similar fractions, we're going to copy the denominator and subtract the numerators. And if we're going to subtract dissimilar fractions, find the LCD, and after finding the LCD, we're going to divide the LCD to the denominators and multiply it to the numerators. After doing it, you can proceed to subtraction of the numerators. Let's have some examples. Let's have first subtraction of similar fractions. Number 1. Let's have 4/5 minus 2/5. So we're going to copy the denominator 5, then subtract the numerators. 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. Then we're going to copy the denominator 5. So 4/5 minus 2/5 is equal to 2/5. Number 2. Let's have 1/4 minus 3/4. So we're going to copy the denominator 4, then subtract the numerators. 1 minus 3. So copy the denominator 4 here, and 1 minus 3, applying the rules in subtracting dissimilar, or applying the rules in subtracting integers. 1 minus 3 is the same as 1 plus negative 3. Then you're going to have the answer as negative 2 over 4, or this is equivalent to negative 1/2. Next, let's have 4 over 3 minus 1/3. So copy the denominator 3, then 4 minus 1, that will be 3, denominator 3, 3 over 3, or 1. 3 divided by 3 is 1. So this is just the same as addition of fractions. Now let's have subtraction of dissimilar fractions. Let's have 1/4 minus 2/3. And here you're going to find the LCD. So the LCD 4 and 3, the LCD will be 12. Then divide the LCD to the denominators and multiply to the numerators. 12 divided by 4 is 3 times 1, it will be 3. And minus 12 divided by 3 is 4 times 2, that will be 8. And 3 minus 8 is the same as 3 plus negative 8. So negative 8 plus 3, or 3 minus 8 is just the same as 3 plus negative 8. And 3 plus negative 8, answer is negative 5 over 12. Let's have 2/5 minus 1/3. So the LCD here will be 15. 15 divided by 5 is 3 times 2 is 6. Minus 15 divided by 3 is 5 times 1 is 5. 6 minus 5 is 1 over 15. Let's have 1/4 minus 1/2. Okay, LCD is 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1 times 1 is 1, minus 4 divided by 2, 2 times 1 is 2. And 1 minus 2, or 1 plus negative 2, the answer here is negative 1 over 4. Okay, let's have our last example. Let's have 2/5 minus 1/2. LCD is 10. It's 10 divided by 5 is 2, times 2 is 4, and minus 10 divided by 2 is 5, times 1 is 5. So 4 minus 5, that will be negative 1 over 10. I hope this video helped you. Thank you and goodbye.